Are you having trouble connecting Windows 11 to Wi-Fi? Issues like you are unable to join a particular network, unable to see any Wi-Fi networks, or you are getting a can't connect to this network. Or maybe you are connected to Wi-Fi, but it is not working. Or maybe you cannot see your Wi-Fi icon at all. Today I will show you different methods to fix your Wi-Fi connection. My name is Norm and this is F1 Expat. Okay, let's get into it. We will start with the quick fixes. One of the first things to try is to restart your computer and then see if you can connect. Okay, so go ahead and restart your computer. Next you need to check to see if airplane mode is turned off. Some keyboards have a function key that turns on and off Wi-Fi, so you will have to check your computer if that is the case. Now the last quick fix is the power drain. This has been a long time mystical fix for many computer problems. It's easy to do and does not take long. So here is hoping this gets you connected. Turn off your computer. Pull the computer wall plug out of the socket. Press and hold the power button on your computer for 30 seconds or more. Now plug your computer back in and turn it on. If you are using a laptop, then unplug the device and also remove the battery. Hold the power key for 30 seconds, then plug everything back in and restart it. On some laptops where the battery is difficult to access, you will have to wait till the battery is drained before proceeding with this method. Still not working? Okay, then let's try to use the Windows 11 troubleshooter. Go to the Start. Select Settings. Select Troubleshooter. Select Other Troubleshooters. Run the troubleshooter for internet connection and then the network adapter. Windows Troubleshooter will try to find the problem. If there are any problems, Windows 11 will display a message on how to fix it. When you run the network adapters, select all the network adapters and then select Next and follow the directions on the screen. It will automatically fix your problem or present you with a method to fix the problem. Check to see if you can connect, if not, move on to the next method. For this method we will disable and enable the network adapters. Select Search. Select Control Panel. Select View by option. Select Large Icons. Select Network and Sharing Center. Select Change Adapter Settings. Find your Wi-Fi network adapter. Right-click on it. Select Disable. Select Enable. Now check to see if you can connect. Proceed to the next method. We are now going to do a complete network reset. Do you know your Wi-Fi password? If not, write it down before we start. Select Start. Select Settings. Select Network and Internet Advanced Network Settings. Select Network Reset. Select Reset. Select Yes. Your computer will now restart. Once it restarts, you will have to log back into the Wi-Fi account and see if it works. If not, let's go to the next method. For this method, we are going to update, uninstall, and roll back the Wi-Fi driver. Select Search. Select Device Manager. Expand Network Adapters. Select your network adapter. Ignore mini port and virtual machine network adapters. Right-click on your network adapter, select Properties. Select Driver Options. Select Update Drivers. Select Browse. Select Browse my computer for driver. Select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select a driver to the date when your computer could last connect if you are getting dates beside those drivers. If not, select an older version of the driver. If that does not work, test each of the drivers that are presented in the list. After installing each driver, you will have to restart your computer and check if Wi-Fi is working or not. If it is not working, you will need to go back to the device manager. Right-click on your network adapter and select Uninstall Device. And select Uninstall. Restart the computer. When the computer restarts, it will automatically reload the network adapter. Go ahead now and see if you can connect. If it is not working, go back to the device manager. Right-click your network adapter. Select Properties, select Driver tab. If Rollback option is enabled, select it. If older versions of the drivers are available, then roll back the driver. A message will ask why you are rolling back. Select a reason and proceed. Check to see if Wi-Fi is working now. You may have to restart the computer if you roll back the driver. Once the computer restarts, check to see if it works. If not, then right-click on the network adapter. Select Properties. Select Power Management tab and make sure this option is unchecked. Allow the computer to turn off the device and save power. Select OK. If that does not work, right-click on Network Adapters again and select Uninstall Device. You have to check Attempt to remove the driver for this device and then select Uninstall. After that, you have to restart your computer and check if the Wi-Fi is working. If this method did not work, then let's move to the next method. For this method, we are going to fix socket API errors and reset the logs. Select Search. Type in CMD, right-click on the CMD icon and select Run as Administrator. We will type in a list of commands here. I will leave a list of the commands in the video description below. Type netsh winsock reset and press Enter. You will see a message, Successfully reset the winsock catalog. If that does not work, then type netsh winsock reset catalog and press Enter. Next, we will type in netsh int IP reset log .txt and press Enter. You will see a number of messages saying resetting. We will now flush the DNS cache. Type ipconfig /flush DNS, then press Enter. You don't need to release and renew the IP addresses like I did in the previous commands. Exit from CMD and restart your computer and check to see if Wi-Fi is working. If not, then let's move on to the next method. We are going to check and see if certain Windows services are running or not. Select Search. Type in Services. Select Services. Now let's check the list to see if the services we need are running. I will also leave a list of services to check in the video description down below. The first service that we will inspect is DHCP Client. This service is not related directly to Wi-Fi, but it is related to the internet on your device. Make sure it is running. The next service we will check to see if it is running is WLAN AutoConfig. If it is not running, right-click on it. Select Properties. Select Start the service. Select Startup should be automatic. Select Apply. Select OK. There are also other services that are optional, but you should enable them if you are having difficult connecting. Those other services would be Network Connections, Network Setup Service, and Wi-Fi Direct Services Connection Management Service. You will have to restart your computer if you make any changes to the Services section on your computer. If this does not fix your Wi-Fi problem, then select Search. Type in Control Panel. Select Control Panel. Select Network and Sharing Center. Select Change Adapter Settings. Right-click on your Wi-Fi adapter. Select Properties. Double-click on Internet Protocol version 4 TCP/IP/v4. Check to see if Obtain an IP address automatically and Obtain DNS server address automatically are selected, reset if necessary. Select OK. Restart the computer and see if you can connect. Still having trouble connecting? OK, we will check the proxy server and restore the internet settings. Select Search. Type in Control Panel. Select Control Panel. Select Internet Options. Select Connections. Select LAN settings. Make sure the box beside Automatically Detect Settings is checked. If you are using a proxy server, remove the check from the box, then recheck the box. Select OK. Select Advanced tab. Select Restore Advanced Settings. Select Apply. Select OK. Restart your computer. Now check to see if you have a Wi-Fi connection. If you are still having trouble connecting, then we are going to install the official network Wi-Fi driver from the manufacturer's website. You will need some other device to connect to the internet or use an Ethernet cable to your computer to connect. Open up a browser and head over to Google. Search for the manufacturer's website and download the driver for your Wi-Fi device. If you have a custom build, you will have to refer to the manufacturer's motherboard for network drivers. You will have to drill down through the website to find your driver. Make sure you download the driver for Windows 11. Should there be no Windows 11 driver, then download a Windows 10 network driver. You are looking for a WLAN driver. Download it and install it on your computer. Your Wi-Fi should work now. I hope this works. If so, hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe. Also, press the bell icon to get notified about new videos.